Solosolo Samoa, welcome to Fresh. Well, with Mr. T, John Holiday, beautiful Samoa.
Aloha, I'm Joseph Sua'ali'i here in Samoa. Here's this coming up on Fresh. My dad told me to start here if I was going to get a Thai title. I knew I was going to come back even before playing for Samoa in the World Cup.
How do you stay connected to your culture?
Oh, just Samoan men.
Welcome back to Fresh Bauso. I'm Mr. T. A few mai matala a mai masu mai. I le matango pio so unu o Solosolo. Awang fifi TikTok. O nga lang alawa viral me lang alawa kile pang kamakua male. Awa o kile fifi kile o fifi ai. Ile lang ala fifi la fanga. Ala me ele amai se me se lava nga fifi le fana se me se lava nga fifi ka kamakua male ya ku fa kasi mer fa kasi. Lo se me ai le ku ya la usta. Kawanga yai ale me kawa ya o kawanga ise island le amkanga música olo kamala fia o airo pese ya carpenters o le BGs ya o ye foi kuspes ai manga ola ya esi fa along kanga in me foi la no mai Faso aile punia la va tia maa o li pinyo kako aido yo so asi koma o foi me sila wo in love le Fujis o ngo pese ye fi ngai o kasengila yo ese le lala langi fo ya ai velo la kaseki velo fa fo lo kasengi o se mai se ti fa no ngai pese ye i sila ya Fujis fa ko fa no ngai Nas o kangaka hip-hop le world of hip-hop maka kia kili mena lengo o mai fa mo mai ya mawe awala ke mawe attention o kangaka umangi so I created hip-hop Samoan hip-hop o nye Solosolo nga ia me o kol ganga le nota na kupulanga ye ko kele yo o kupulanga ye yo le au vayala le au moka ai walo ya no ma o failo e faka ka mo fika pele you know ye lyrics ole pese ai fa saunga le piso fa no ore aswanga ngo kangwa ilo kai ol makonga kusilo pikongu Solosolo bayo solopa manamo aulele afia ilo ngai yo pikongu asia simai sio makongu so ya ulaya kangwa faise me ya fa aleo ile me ala si ya ilako le fanga fiki kilo mai ia ngai o tanga Solosolo la yo ai ke fa fikai ya ya mo ile kwa ile o mai o ko analise ngo ko ele lo fo ile makangofie male se makamakai ngai ka mama ki nga olo au mau ya kung ifa fia mbawole malo si malanga mai ai felo ai mai awole ako kor ki ngol malos ya udah e kolo pulo ngai ka mama ngai nga au mau fa ka kile ka puai le file mu masanga le mu me se ka ko ni so elenga ka so but my beautiful people of Samoa.
What's up? It's me, Bubs.
And me, Bibi.
And together, we're Ask B&B.
You may wonder, what is Ask B&B? Well, it's where you send us questions on different topics and we attempt to answer them.
And remember that the views expressed here, they're not yours, so don't steal them because they're mine and BB's only. And what's today's topic?
Diaspora. What is diaspora?
The D of the Pacific. No! When a group of people move over to another place, but they take their culture with them. I just learned that this morning.
There's a lot of questions that need to be answered, and we're gonna do it while doing ceramics.
How do you keep connected to your culture while away from the motherland? Ooh.
That's a good one. Well, how I do it, I feel like just staying in community with people, whether that be through your church. How do you stay connected to your culture?
Oh, just Samoan men. All the time.
What?
They help you stay connected?
Yeah.
In what
And
ways?
sometimes I connect with Tonga. So I'm very well connected to the islands.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So the next question is, do you think island-raised people look down on the diaspora? I know the answer. Oh my gosh, when I go to Samoa, they mock me so much. They mocked me because I had a toothbrush holder.
But then, you know, when
They don't even have toothbrushes, not jokes.
Samoans, I think sometimes being a little bit playful in the mocking
Yeah.
is a way of showing love.
And so they look down on us, but they love us? It's so weird.
Okay, next question is, are language weeks useful?
For the parties. Well, I don't know.
I've never been to a language week party.
Girl, you're in the wrong place.
I live in West Auckland.
Oh, yeah, you're at West.
I think for me, I find them useful for other languages.
Yeah.
Like, it's a good way for me to learn, like Tuvaluan, Tongan.
Yeah, and it's cool to celebrate.
It is. But do you think sometimes they're like tokenistic?
Yeah.
Like, there's some workplaces that will celebrate like Samoan Tongan Language Week, but pay their Samoan and Tongan women.
Oh, true. That's tough. Oh, diaspora, rah. That's it from me, Bubs, and
BB. Stay tuned and keep it fresh.
keep it fresh, freshies.
I know how proud it is to be a chief in the village, and to both the villages of Solosolo and Mokongo give me the chief name from the village is quite special and privileged. Talofa, my name is Anava Tawa To'ali'i, Joseph Sua'ali'i, here in Samoa. Welcome to my world.
Coming in, flex. I just wanna win, LA BB, who we running with, 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again, state your name, Sua'ali'i. Damn, he did it again.
Obviously, making an NRL debut is massive, and then I think playing for Toa Samoa, that was just next level.
Here comes Joseph Sua'ali'i.
19 years of age, born and raised in Sydney, Penrith, so Plymouth Park, so I grew up out west. My mum's an Australian Cambodian, and then my dad's a full Samoan. I went to boarding school when I was from year 7 to year 12. It wasn't even a Samoan in the school. It was probably just one Tongan, my mate Will Penasini, that was probably it. It was just him and I, the probably Islanders and the whole school. A bit different, but obviously learning both of the worlds, and now I'm a proud Samoan and just learning more about the culture.
Welcome, our Toa Samoa team.
Yeah, my dad told me to start if I was going to get a tie title. I knew I was going to come back even before playing for Samoa in the World Cup. So before COVID, I used to come back every year. But yeah, obviously it's a bit special this time, coming back to the airport, seeing all the fans and just the love from the people has just been crazy. So. Growing up in Australia, you don't really experience it, you don't really see the Safa'is, but it's kind of new to me, but it was good to actually experience it. I actually watched my dad do it probably a couple of years ago before me, so it was kind of one thing I wanted to do. I know how proud it is to be a chief in the village, and to both the villages of Solosolo and Mogongo give me the chief name from the village is quite special and privileged. Every decision I make in my life has always been with my heart. So I grew up always wanting to play for Australia, but my dad always used to, have the jersey of Samoa, always go watch the games, because I've always made decisions with my heart. It was like the same decision. I went from Rabbitohs to Roosters, and my heart said go play for Samoa, and I wanted to go represent our people. I was sick of Samoa losing. I know we have the best athletes in the world. I knew that we could go far in the World Cup, so that was a big factor of me choosing Samoa. Yeah, I spoke to Tedesco. Yeah, he wanted me to come and play for Australia. Yeah, but everyone understood. Yeah, even made the World Cup a better World Cup. Everyone playing for the heritage and all that stuff.
Unbelievably, 60 points for England.
Yeah. I think after that game we lost to England, it was hard because obviously we come in with high expectations and we just got humbled. But I think after we gained momentum, we saw support from the loyal supporters of the Samoan team come through when we beat Greece and France, and then I think that big game that turned it was against Tonga. I think that was the game changer. So then obviously had that revenge game against England.
And Stephen Clayton is a history maker. What a moment for that nation.
And then after that, they just went all wild. You could see how much it meant to the people of Samoa.
685 to the world!
All the Samoan people around the whole world, the support and love from the people was just next level. Yeah, well, my dad used to always try to teach me the Samoan way. Obviously, Samoan goes through our blood. He's always been a leader in my life and someone like a hero in my life. The way he looks after the family, extended family, he kind of looks after everyone. So he has a big heart, and always wanted to, hopefully, be like him one day. Still burns. We lost that World Cup to Australia. I think the next goal is just winning a premiership for the Roosters. That's that's the only focus is just winning that premiership, and then everything else will take after itself, the origin jerseys and all that. So I've kind of had to grow up fast. I'm just blessed with good parents. Now I'm just finding my feet as my own man now. So yeah.
What's going on tonight? We in downtown Apia City. Samoa vibes. Tonight we got Tanel, we got Stanley T, we got Base 685, we got Sapphire, we got Jaheim, Tupac, Biggie. Who was the other ones?
Ladies, make some noise if you've been doing like Tell for love, everybody. I'm Tanel, and keep it fresh from the 685.
Sharing the stage with Tanel is kind of natural to me now. It's like we've been on tour so many times together in different countries now. We got like a rapport going. That's sis. That's family to me. So I love being on stage with her. Backstage with her is hilarious. You know, the energy's there. And when we're together, if one's down, the other one's up. The other one will help the other one get up. You know, it's like we roll like that together. So yeah, shout out my sis, Carson, baby. What's up?
Many rappers, you know, ride around the city, selling CDs out the trunk like it was the late 80s. When I smoke, even when I ride, even when I'm drunk, it's still 685. Everywhere I roll, all around the globe, it's APIA. Make sure y'all know I keep it live for my city, baby.
Why do I love performing in Samoa for Samoans? I just feel like home. I feel like I'm back home. I feel like we've been away for a long time trying to put in the work and to come back and to just feel elevated with your own people, your own folks.
I missed you. I gotta move back home. I'm sick of overseas. God bless you.
It's like, you know, you don't get that feeling overseas. It's like home. Home turf, baby.
Got out my bed today and thank the Lord for all my blessings. Pray we progress through hard times. These are the times we're tested. Still we're selected. Got to motivate the ghetto sections. I pray for peace, love, and unity. You get the message. Still we.
It was such a great experience hanging out with Poetic and Tanel and Stanley T for the concert. You know, it's really nice to see that, as the saying goes, because wherever you go in this world, you always have to bring back to the community, and they came back home and put on an amazing show.
What up, what up? This Poetic from the 685, live from the 685 direct. Make sure you keep it fresh, baby.
I have caller ID.
Tony said you're at home now. Why didn't you tell me earlier? I had to rush to get ready.
Wait, no, Mum, no.
I'll see you soon.
We said no visitors.
Awe e siang you o se palangi, ha?
Diaspora Samoa, we keeping it fresh here in my beautiful 685.
It feels so good to finally be home.
Yeah, I can't wait to finally spend some time with my baby Gil.
You're right, she's got your mum's mouth. She cries all night.
Oh, speak of the devil. Hi, Mum.
Ah, get it, my darling. And how's my muku muku doing?
Oh, she's doing real good.
Son, you sound tired. Don't worry, Mum will be there in a bit.
What? No, Mum, we said no visitors.
Oh, don't be silly, darling. I'm already on my way. Hey, Aqua Nate, see you in a bit.
No, wait, Mum, no.
What did she say? Hello?
Siang, it's Mum.
I know, I have caller ID.
Tony said you're at home now. Why didn't you tell me earlier? I had to rush to get ready.
Wait, no, Mum, no.
I'll see you soon.
We said no visitors.
Awe e siang you o se palangi, ha? Kele malama ili ngai ku ai ngā generation. Sorry, Miss Kihi, wasn't it? Nice to see you.
Yeah, those ones, darling. I bet.
Hi, Mom. I was my baby. Yeah.
Bub, you're not breastfeeding?
Oh, no, I couldn't.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no. I breastfeed all my children.
I can totally tell.
You know, I breastfed my hone, Johnny, till he was 7. That's why we're so close. We've got such a close bond because of that.
Oh, well, you know, I bought the most natural formula. All natural, eco-friendly, dolphin-friendly, people-friendly.
So friendly of you. I climbed my maunga and made some kawakawa balm You see?
Funny you should say that though, because I actually made this homemade whango'o.
A whanga what?
Whango'o. So I climbed to the top of our coconut tree in our village and I gathered all the amazing coconuts up there and brought them home and I made this for my moko.
These are beautiful. See, these are what you need. Hey,
Actually, darling,
these are what
I had to bring your baby blanket from when you were a baby.
Oh, gosh, did you wash it?
Yeah.
Okay. What we'll do is we'll go there. Here. Are you a bit tired, girl?
Hey, why don't you get a rest tonight, Siangi? Let me do the night feeds.
Yes, and it'd be good for my son to get some rest too. I mean, we all know how long he's been up in that hospital.
Are you guys sure? I'm pretty tired.
Hello.
Go for a sleep, girl.
Thank you.
It looks like you need it. Don't worry, we'll be here. You lot will be in the room. We'll be here. Baiana.
We've got it.
You lot go.
You go, we've got it.
Ao noa po noa.
Don't worry.
Forever, all day, 24/7.
Woo! Best sleep ever.
What happened?
You know what, Bells? You know what?
Yeah.
You're so right. You're so good with our baby. Why don't you take this one?
No, don't be silly, old girl. You clearly know how to soothe her. Now you're welcome to take this one. Remember? I'll not pour no 24/7.
Oh gosh, look at the time, look at the time. Not good. I've got to go. I gotta get ready. I've got all this stuff to do. I've got to pack. Oh, there's a lot going on. You know what? Shower. You go for a shower, but you got all your gears here. Hey, you've got all your gears. You have a shower first, and then how about you stay with our beautiful mokopuna, eh? And I'll take the next one. Yeah. Good.
Hey, you know what? I just remembered I needed to kill the falisa today too. Yeah, that's right. I forgot.
Birthday lover, I hope you enjoyed my beautiful island, Samoa, from us here in 685 to 564.
Keep it fresh.
Malapla here too. Welcome to Niue, the Rock of Polynesia.
Keep it fresh.
Welcome to Niue, welcome to Fresh.
We're going to go have a look at the secret cave of La Kepa. Oosh.
You're watching Fresh.